In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. One of the most popular platforms for online income is Amazon, the e-commerce giant that has revolutionized the way we shop. While many people associate making money on Amazon with running an online store or affiliate marketing through a website, there is an alternative approach that can generate a substantial income with just 12 minutes a day, and you don't need a website to get started. The Amazon Associates Program, often referred to as Amazon Affiliate Program, is a simple yet effective way to make money with Amazon without the hassle of running a website or dealing with inventory. Essentially, it allows you to earn a commission by promoting and selling Amazon products through unique affiliate links. Sign up for the Amazon Associates Program. To get started, sign up for the Amazon Associates Program. It's free and open to anyone. You'll need an Amazon account to apply. Before diving in, it's crucial to choose a niche or category of products you want to promote. Consider your interests and expertise. Your niche can be anything from electronics, books, fashion, or even pet supplies. Promote Amazon products. Once you've decided on your niche, browse Amazon's vast product catalog. Find products that you believe will resonate with your target audience and create affiliate links for them. You can do this directly from the Amazon Associates dashboard. Share your affiliate links now. This is where your 12 minutes a day comes in. Dedicate those 12 minutes to sharing your affiliate links on social media platforms, forums, or wherever your potential customers hang out. Craft engaging posts or comments that encourage clicks. Track your earnings. Amazon provides detailed analytics to track your earnings. Keep an eye on which products perform best and which platforms yield the most clicks and conversions. Optimize and scale. As you gain experience and start earning commissions, you can optimize your approach. Focus more on what works and scale your efforts. Choose quality products. Promote products that are relevant and high quality. Positive customer reviews and ratings can boost your credibility. Create engaging content. Craft compelling posts that genuinely help your audience. Whether it's a product review or a comparison guide, valuable content can lead to more conversions. Build trust. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. People appreciate honesty, and it builds trust with your audience. Stay consistent. The key to success with the Amazon Associates Program is consistency. Dedicate those 12 minutes every day to sharing your links. Experiment and learn. The online landscape is ever-evolving. Don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies and adapt to changing trends. The amount you can earn as an Amazon associate depends on several factors, including your niche, the products you promote, and the effort you put into your promotion. Some affiliates earn a few $100s a month, while others generate thousands. With dedication and the right strategy, $3,500 or more per month is certainly achievable. Thanks for watching. If you feel this channel is useful for you, so please feel free to subscribe Reign of Money, my YouTube channel, for more useful information.